Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 308 in the GT line specification. So this is our current demonstrator that features this lovely panoramic glass roof, this full LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got this lovely interior with the red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. It's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done under 500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.